guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, another week, another vlog. Getting me ass ready for school. Come on, mommy's gonna be so sad. Please, thank you. Maybe your tongue go back up. Your tongue is so dirty. Can I scrape it? Okay guys, so Amia's left to school. My mom just got here. She's gonna help me out. I'm about to go food shopping. Well, I'm gonna get ready to go food shopping. I have not been food shopping in like a month. So desperately need to go food shopping. I feel so big, but I'm gonna make the best out of these last few weeks. I mean, you know, realistically, who knows when, if I'll ever be pregnant again. So I'm gonna get ready now. I'm gonna wash my hair just because I want to start the week fresh. I have not been feeling my best physically, mentally, emotionally. I'm really down, really down, and I just want to feel better. So maybe washing my hair and looking presentable will make me feel better. I'm really sad. I'm like so sad. I'm gonna try to distract myself. Hey guys, okay, so I showered. I'm ready to go food shopping. I'm here with Mieli. He wants to put my shoes on. Miel. Hi. Okay guys, so I'm at the flea market, not the flea market, the farmer's market. And oh, so you can pass, you can say excuse me, and we will gladly move. No problem. You guys, look at these little apples. These are so cute. Tía, mira. Parecen de tía, mira. These are so cute. No me lo como en un mordisco. Uy, guanapas. Me encantan las guanapas. So oh yeah, a mí me encanta el broccoli. Clementín. ¿Cuál es la diferencia entre clementín y mandarina? I don't know. Okay, so I'm at the farmer's market. We're doing some food shopping. The way that I like, hi. The way that I like to food shop. Yo creo que deberíamos ir a BJ's por esas. Porque en BJ's las venden la cosa grande. Yeah. Huh? I mean, bueno, pues a mí. Entonces dame dos, tía, por favor. So Y a mí le gustan mucho las fresas.
Con el cereal.
Yeah.
Bien batido.
Okay, so we're food shopping once again. I have not been food shopping, y'all, in so long. So the way that I like to do my food shopping is I like to get everything really fresh, like the fruits. I like to get the fruits, the veggies at a market like this, and then I'll do other things like cereals and like big things at BJ's. I like to go to Walmart too, but I'm already here, so I'm just gonna get everything here, and then I'm gonna go to ShopRite. So I don't think I'm gonna have time to go to BJ's today, just because it's like already noon. Oh my god, look at these eggplants! Hey yo! Hey yo! This shit is huge. So I'm gonna get 2 of these. I'm gonna get 2 of these. Yeah, a mí me gustan todos. A mí me gusta mucho el amarillo y el rojo. I mean, el naranjado.
Ay, yo miro porque yo creo
Son
que...
dulces. ¿No? You know what? I'm not gonna get these. I forgot my tripod. If not, I would have totally put my camera. ¿Por qué? I would totally put my camera on the cart. But I didn't. People are all looking at me with this camera like, what is she doing? But listen, we get in eggplants. I love peppers. So I think I'm gonna get, I usually get 2 and 2. So I'm gonna get 2 orange. Oh, so I think I'm gonna get 2 of each. I usually do 2 orange, 2 yellow, 2 red, 2 green. Just because I cook with pepper a lot. I'm like a huge pepper fan. I'm trying to think what else. Okay, I gotta get zucchini. I gotta get cucumbers. Squash. Tía, ¿tú sabes? ¿Tú sabes? Porfa, tía. 3. Tía, ¿tú sabes hacer comida con esto? No. Es eggplant. Planta de huevo. No. How do you say it in Spanish? Yo no sé. Okay, guys. I got the peppers. I'm looking like what else to get. I gotta get cilantro. Tía, ¿a ti cuál cebolla te gusta? ¿La morada o la amarilla? So I like to take the bag. So I'm gonna just take the bag. What else? What else? What else? I have potatoes. No, se me olvidó el cilantro. I forgot cilantro. So we have a fish market right back here, and it smells lovely. Very oceany, if you know what I mean. These look like pumpkins. Oh, this is a squash, spaghetti squash. I have no idea how to do that. I love these. Are these bananas or are these? These are plátanos. Okay, so I think I'm gonna take 2 green so they don't get bad, and then I'm gonna take 2 yellow so they can, you know, ripen up. I'm gonna take some bananas, of course. Oh my god, I love these! Papa Criolla. These are the bomb. I love these. My grandma loves cooking with them. Got mini bananas. I can't get grapes. My mom doesn't let me get grapes. Like, I live with her, right? And then we're gonna get grapes. No, my mom doesn't like me getting grapes either, just because she feels like the kids are gonna choke and die. I don't know why. So it's 3 for $5. Okay, I love avocado. They're pretty. They're not ready. They're not ready. They're not ready. They're not ready. Okay, I'm gonna get tomatoes. I'm gonna get 4 tomatoes. Avocados are expensive. 3 for $5. Damn bitch. Alright guys, so I got some tomatoes. I got some lemons. think we're done. Oh, I gotta get apples. I think I'm gonna get the apples. I'm just being lazy. I was about to say, I don't think I want to get the apples not here, but why would I do that if I'm already here? So I'm running out of these certain seasonings that I really love. Let me put y'all on real quick. Okay, so I want to get some sesame seeds. I feel like sesame seeds are awesome. Let me get some of these. So I think I'm gonna get some sesame seeds. This is one of my absolute favorite seasonings ever. This, like, you cannot not have this. I need garlic powder. Okay, some garlic powder. I don't have garlic. What else? I think that's it. I don't think I'm missing anymore. I really do think that's it. Oh, should I get the salamis here? How much are they here? They're $8.99. I don't know. How much are they over there? Hello. We can't get some arepas. So these bring 4. What else? Okay. Okay, so I don't want to be crazy. These are my favorite, so I'm gonna get 2 because I love arepa de chocolo. These are my fave. I got the cheese ones. Should I get a regular one? I think I'm gonna get 1 regular. This is arepa amarilla. Okay, I think I'm gonna get 1. I have to get quesito. I love my quesito. I gotta get queso para freír, queso blanco. What else? I don't think I'm gonna get anything else from here. What else? Should I get some yogurts here? No, I think I'm gonna get those at BJ's. So my kids drink lactate milk. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the lactate milk. I think I'm gonna get what, like 4 gallons maybe? 4 is good. Pretty much done. So we got most of our veggies. I gotta get the apples. Okay, I'm gonna get the apples in a few. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to get like 24 apples because my children are obsessed with apples. Okay guys, I just put all the groceries in the trunk, and okay, we got everything. Fruit and veggies wise. And it all came out to $159, which is really good. I thought it was gonna be like way more, but I got a ton of stuff. Thankfully it was not a lot. Now we're going to go to ShopRite. And in ShopRite, what am I gonna get in ShopRite? So I'm gonna get ham, cheese, bread, tortillas. I'm gonna get some ground beef. What else? I have a lot of meat, a lot of chicken. I'm gonna get the salami. I thought it was really expensive here, $8. I don't know, I kind of feel like that's pricey. I'm not really sure how much it is over there. I never check prices, but now I'm gonna start comparing prices. So I'm gonna get the salami. What else do I need to get? I don't know, what do I gotta get? Maybe some snacks for the kids, like get some chips from Mia's. I got all the fruit here, all the veggies here. I'm thinking if they have donuts, I'm gonna get donuts. Oh yeah, muffins. I gotta get muffins because, you know, he loves his muffins. I'm gonna get some muffins. I don't know. I'm trying to think. I know I need to get, oh no, my mom just brought me some beans. I gotta get corn on the cob, because they got the good corn on the cob. They got the big corn on the cob, the big ones, you know. Oh, butter? Do I need butter? Oh, sour cream. You guys, sour cream. Tell me how the other day I made beans and there was no sour cream. That shit blew. Guys, we have arrived at our second location. We are in ShopRite. What are we getting here? I feel like I just told you guys and I already forgot. Ham, cheese, bread, cereal, water, donuts, tortillas, sour cream. Hey guys, we got the donuts. Yeah. I've been craving these donuts so bad. These are like my favorite. Am I so close up? Back up. I'm the boy. It's a girl. I got 2 boys already. What are we getting? All of these look unappealing to me. Yum. Look how beautiful these oxtails look. So beautiful. Those look nice. So I'm gonna get, let me see. I'm just gonna get this little one. Ground beef, not so much. What's this? Condensed milk. Do I need this? Do I know? Okay, I'm just gonna take one. Okay, fine. I'm gonna take 2. Do I need it? I'm not sure, but I'll find something to need it for. Okay, I'm gonna get some yogurts. Guys, what did I say? Okay, I said bread, muffins, donuts. Oh my god, if I look back on this and I did not get what I needed to get, I'm gonna be so tight. These FINALLLY's. Some of these look fancy. I feel like I'll feel really fancy eating these, but these are kind of expensive. $2, okay. And I'm gonna try the box. Let's try the box. I want the Chobani box, but they have that at BJ's. So I think I'm gonna make a BJ's list. I kind of want some Nesquik right now. What should we get? Should we get the strawberry or the chocolate? I think I want to get the strawberry, because I haven't had strawberry in years. So, what one should I get? Choose. No sé cuál.
Artesanal.
¿Cuál es ese? No sé, tía. Oh, yeah. Ese se ve elegante. Oh, that's fresh. Vio la lechuga.
Claro.
Yeah, got lettuce. Okay, guys. So we got everything. What did I forget? I feel like I forgot something. Okay, so the total was $92. So we're still a little bit by the budget that I put. I still gotta go to BJ's. I think I do have to go to BJ's. I just don't feel comfortable walking so much. Like, I get so tired. My hips are like dead ass. This is wild. BJ's, I gotta get water. I didn't get the deli meat because it was a 30-minute wait. So I gotta get water, deli meat, lettuce, think that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, I think I got everything, guys. I don't think I need anything else. Period. We outside. Literally. Okay, just picked up on Mias from school. Hi, Mias. How was school, babe? Huh? ¿Cómo te fue? Good? Okay, guys, so I'm home and I'm about to clean my fridge. There's my mom cooking. I'm about to clean my fridge. Every time that I go food shopping, I like to, you know, just give my fridge a really good clean. Shout out to Shein for the bomb maternity jeans. So yeah, so we're gonna clean my fridge. So this is my fridge right now, right? There's not a lot going on. So I put all my juices in containers just like that because we hadn't gone food shopping, so I was not stressing it. Everything's like super empty. You see, listen, it's nothing going on out here. So we're just gonna clean out everything. Okay guys, so I'm hot. So I have not yet put in the milks that I got because I have to wipe them down. So in here, what I'm gonna do this one time, just because I have a lot of shredded cheese from Thanksgiving. Since I was not able to get my deli meat, which I'm really upset about because I love deli meat. What I'm gonna do is, let me wipe it down. I'm just gonna put, all I really got was the salchichon, which, mami, este salchichon en la marqueta es más caro que en ShopRite. Y los aguacates también. Los aguacates a $1 en ShopRite y 3 por 5 en la marqueta. Some bologna. I like to get the bologna in here just because I feel like it's, I don't know, it's processed, it's greasy, it's fattening, it's delicious. I go ahead and I put my cheeses in here, my salami, and then I'll just put my cold cuts here when I get. So my camera ended up dying, so I couldn't record everything, which sucks because I wanted to so bad. But I made a TikTok and I'm posted at the end. So this is how the top ended up looking. We have a ton of milk. I got my yogurts here, got my huevos. I have, this is like the kids. This is for the kids. I have a ton of mandarins because Amias is like obsessed. I have my broccoli in this container. This is the broccoli that I'm gonna make for the week. I have like my spreads here. And then I still gotta go get my cold cuts. So I'm gonna put those here. But I have my shredded cheeses. I love bologna. My salami. And then in this one down here, I have a ton of apples. I have like a shitload of apples in here. In here, I have my strawberries. Then I have another half that I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. I think I'm gonna go get a small bag of grapes. I'm probably gonna put in there. And then these are my veggies. I got my broccoli, my tomatoes, my peppers. And then down here, I have my lemons. I have my spinach at the bottom, my onion. I love this onion. My avocados and just some carrots. So this is how everything ended up coming out. And then right here we got my cheeses because you know I love queso. And then here we just have like random things that yeah, just random things. Got my NutriBurst, you know, can't forget my NutriBurst. Got my asparagus. I love asparagus. I got my arepas right here. I got all my arepas, my plátano, and then just some sauces and dressings. I'm lying, no sauces, just dressings. So I really wanted to do like a tutorial on how I clean. So I really wanted. So I'm really upset that my camera died, guys. Like genuinely upset. Because I was really excited about showing you guys how I pack up everything in my fridge, but my camera died. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of coming to food shop with me and cleaning my fridge for the small amount of time you got to see me clean my fridge. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Put some groceries away with me.